Little bunny foo-foo hopped into the toilet. It's Snoopy! It's the Velveteen Rabbit! Danger, Will Robinson, danger, danger. Whoa. I have a college degree! It's not in theater. I don't want to. So, ladies and gentlemen, wait a minute. I'm Catholic. Boys and girls, despite our silly, we may have been enjoying it in the deep of the show to get human flesh and reality. That shape has been modified to help ensure that these bladders will pop. So please, for the sake of my hands and for the sake of my rapidly dying social life, maintain absolute silence. My lady, Stephanie May. Thank you. May I please have your hand, my lady? May I please have your hand? Thank you very much. She's not struggling. Think about we'll be here for Stephanie. Coming up for Stephanie, the birthday girl. You may want to sit down, Stephanie. I'm not that good when I'm blind. Wait, I got to move the fingers out of the way. Well, yeah, don't break the illusion out. Those are fingers, people. Stop!